Hi, my name is Albert Huang, and I need your help creating Spatial Computing Part 3. Spatial computing is a series of design sketches that explores 3D human-computer interaction. In the first video, I introduced the idea, explain why it's useful and necessary, and I also talk about basic interface concepts, moving, scaling, and rotating objects. In the second video, I give one specific example as to how this technology can improve our daily lives. I go shopping for a coffee table for my living room. Using the interface concepts of spatial computing, I can test out this furniture in my living room just by waving my arms. No need to take out your ruler, no assembly required, and no heavy lifting. And for the third video, I want to use spatial computing to reinvent the home theater system. So the home theater system as it stands today is this screen, right? And it's sitting like 10 to 12 feet in front of your body that's zoned out on a couch. Your body's doing whatever it can to forget that exists in 3D space. Now what I want to do is take away the screen and replace it with a home theater system, with a theater in your home, like actors walking in and out of your space, right? So if you're watching a football game, for example, you'd be able to pause the game at any moment, stand up, walk around on the field, right? You'd be able to rescale the environment and rotate the environment. You'd be able to see the world from the quarterback's point of view as he's trying to make a clutch pass. You'd be able to see it from the referee's point of view as they make that ridiculous call, right? So the whole point here is that we're reinventing how we can see media, and we're reinventing how we can interact with media. But I can't do it without your help. You see, Spatial Computing Part 1 and 2 took like 6 months each to develop. This is because I'm a freelancer, so every hour I spend on this project is an hour that I can't spend with a client. But with your help, I'd be able to make spatial computing my client. I'd be able to block out a solid chunk of time where I focus on nothing but spatial computing. The work will be substantially better and the project will come out much quicker. And so here are some of the ways that you can help out. If you contribute $12, I'll add your name to the thank you list, and you also get to contribute to the list of tangential ideas. You see, sometimes I design myself into a corner and I need somebody else's input, some tangential idea to help me design my way out. Both lists get published on my website next to Spatial Computing Part 3. If you contribute $25, I'll add your name to the preview screening list. Now, that's exactly what it sounds like. You know, I'll send out preview screenings of special effects or ideas that I'm working on. And of course, like a week before the final video gets released to the general public, I'll send you guys a private screening. If you contribute $60, I will mail you a sketch from Spatial Computing. I use these for storyboarding and concept design. Frame it, put it on your wall, tell everybody how awesome spatial computing is. If you contribute $90, let's do dinner. I'll meet you somewhere in New York City for food, or if that's impossible for you, we can meet over Skype. I'll eat in my apartment and you can eat in your apartment. If you pledge $200, I'll be your personal designer. I'll create a spatial computing design based on your life, and I'll mail you a custom design brief full of sketches and illustrations and explanations. And lastly, for $350, not only am I your personal designer, but I'm also your video guy. I will mail you a custom design brief, and I'll also mail you some footage explaining how your design works. And that pretty much sums it up. Check out the Kickstarter page for more awards and for more information. And lastly, thank you all so very much for helping me make Spatial Computing Part 3 a reality.